Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new foundation by Charlotte Tilbury, one that is yet to be released, and I'm doing this ahead of the launch so that you know more about it in case you do want to buy it. Now the foundation I'll be reviewing is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin foundation that they kindly sent me in PR. I'll be swatching it, trying to find my shade match, telling you how I feel about it, whether I like it or not, you know, the usual review stuff. Okay, so I don't have much information about the foundation apart from like what's on the box. The box says that it is a medium coverage light foundation infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid, brightening rose complex, skin looks more beautiful instantly, glow, brighter, smoother complexion. So from what it says on the box, it sounds like it's like a foundation that has skincare in it too, because it says over time like your skin actually improves, which is kind of different. Minimizes pores, the appearance of dark spots. I do have some dark spots on my face, so you can see how that covers that up as well. But yeah, I've got three shades. I've got the shades number 5, 6, 7, all in the neutral undertone. So I'm going to swatch all three of them and try and find my shade. I went on the website earlier on today and the website actually said that it thinks that I'm a shade 8 neutral. I don't have that shade, so hopefully my shade is one of these three. Okay, getting right into it, I'm going to swatch number 5 first. Oh, that scared me. So this is number 5 neutral. It's too light for me, but I'm swatching it so you have a reference when you're looking for your shade. Now number 6, that does look better. It's still a bit too light for me, so hopefully number 7 is like bang on. If not, then the website was right, then I am shade 8. Last but not least, number 7. I'm just gonna swatch it here instead of here. Okay, number 7 actually looks like the perfect match, I think. I think number 8 would have been a bit too dark, so I'm actually very happy with number 7. 7, 5, 6, just I did it the wrong way. Okay, so very happy with number 7 and how it looks on my skin, so I'm just going to apply that all over, see how I feel, see how it looks on my skin as well. And I'm also not going to use the brush they sent with this because I feel like that brush is way too small, so I'm going to use my own brush. So yeah, let's just go into it because I'm actually really excited. It looks really, really nice and like dewy, so a bit of me. Okay, let's just go ahead and buff this in to my skin. So it says it covers dark spots. It's got medium coverage, so we'll see how that performs on my skin. I would say so far it definitely doesn't feel like a tinted moisturizer. I know it says foundation, but it kind of reminds me of a tinted moisturizer, but it's not the same consistency. It's definitely heavier. And also I can feel it on my skin. It's not heavy, but you can definitely feel it on your face. It's also very hydrating. It feels hydrating on my skin. And my skin right now is dry, so that's good. Coverage so far, it's not like making my dark spots disappear completely. My skin still looks like skin as well, but I think if I layer it on some more, it will definitely look like a full canvas on my skin. I don't really want that. I wouldn't wear the foundation like that, so I'm just gonna apply it how I would usually apply it and see what it looks like. So I think that's all the blending done, and to be honest, just looking in the mirror, I do like how my skin looks. Like it's got like a healthy glow to it, but at the same time I don't really like how it looks on my blemishes. I think for right now you can kind of see it's starting to stick on to my blemishes, and I don't really like that. So that's like the only negative I would say for now. Yeah, that's it. I really do like the finish, and I think it will be a lovely foundation for the summer. And it says the more you use it, it will like work with your skincare. It's got skincare in it too, so maybe it will help if you have dry skin, who knows. But me personally, I don't think I would use this when my skin's really dry or breaking out either. It has to be like in a good in-between place. Now it also said that it reduces the appearance of pores. I don't know if it means like immediately or whether it means like after a lot of uses because of the skincare in it, but right now my pores look good, like everything looks good. My skin finish, you can see like how it's reflecting the light. My skin looks healthy, looks dewy, looks really nice. The shade match couldn't be any more perfect. I think the website was a little bit off. It wasn't crazy off, so I would definitely like listen to the website shade match if you go on it and check your shade, because it's definitely accurate, I would say. The feel of the foundation is okay. As I said, you can definitely feel it on your skin, but I think this is meant to be used as like a natural glowy makeup anyway, so you probably wouldn't be wearing much product on your face. So the fact you can feel it probably isn't a big deal, because I wouldn't layer on so much product on. I probably would just wear this just on its own, to be honest. So that whole feeling would be fine. I think overall I would give this foundation a either 7.5 or an 8, because it is a really nice foundation. As I said, I feel like my skin isn't in its prime condition for it. I think it needs to be a bit more stable to be able to wear this, but I can definitely see its potential. Now, out of all the Charlotte Tilbury foundations, I've tried the Magic foundation and also the Light Wonder foundation, and I do actually prefer this Beautiful Skin foundation over both of those. Light Wonder is supposed to be like the lightest foundation, I think. This is still light, but coverage, you know, there's still like a good in between, so I do prefer this foundation above all the other ones that they have. Would I recommend this foundation? Yes, if your skin is more on the normal side of skin types, or maybe even a little bit dry, not really dry, because I think this would show, but I would definitely recommend this foundation. So yeah guys, that was my quick little review on the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin foundation. Do let me know if you're interested in buying this and whether you will be buying it when it launches. I think there's currently a wait list on the website, so you can sign up for when it launches. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this and have a lovely, lovely day. Bye.